This is my favourite personal effect, Swiss Army penknife. Now snug in my pocket, a pod of utilities, it rests, a locked workshop of cramped spiders, a doctor's grip in a car boot, a sleeping man Friday, till time and life falter before blunt pencil, fused light plug, corked Riesling, though never before saw horse's hoof. Then alpenhorns warble, halberdiers tumble out of the cuckoo clocks, shooting down ski slopes, ta-ra, ta-ra. I hold in my hand a thistle of gizmos, a bristle of blades, an alpine species of porcupine. To peel an apple, send for tell. At 100 yards he could hit a gentian, and if I mess things up, draw blood, then fetch the Red Cross boys and invoke the Geneva Convention.